Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Harry Viral. Today I'm going to show you how can you know your Windows 10 expiry date. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going in this command prompt. So clicking this, then after we'll be pressing SLMGR space /XPR. After this we will be enter, then you can see the expiry date of this Windows 10, and my expiry is 10/30/2020. So in this way we can know our expiry date of Windows 10. So thank you for watching this video. Please share, subscribe and keep supporting us. Thank you.